It's great that Firebase Authentication gives us a way to keep all of our user authentication in one place. It provides multiple ways for users to sign in, such as with password authentication, Google Sign-in, Facebook Login, Twitter, and GitHub. Adding sign-in to your apps sounds pretty basic, but it actually takes a lot of work to not only get the user experience right, but also to keep your users' credentials safe and secure. Firebase Authentication saves you from all the headache, as we shall see. Firebase gives you the flexibility to choose your own authentication scheme, whether that's with emails and passwords, Google, Facebook, or others. But you would still have to implement that authentication scheme for each provider, as well as create user-facing screens for signing in. There's a better way though, that saves you development time, which is just what we need this weekend. And it's called FirebaseUI. FirebaseUI is an open source library created by the Firebase team. It handles the UI flow for authenticating with Firebase, implementing the best practices for sign-in and following the brand guidelines for each of the providers. It also allows us to easily enable and disable providers, literally by changing one line of code. At the time of this recording, FirebaseUI supports password authentication, Google Sign-in and Facebook Login, which is just fine for friendly chat. Using FirebaseUI allows us to focus more on the features that make our app special.